This isn't happening in spite of our awakening. It's happening because of it. Because of it. Hear me out, my witches. Okay, so this morning I got a few random downloads, but one of them was the cycle has a purpose. The cycle has a purpose. And I thought that was for myself, which it kind of is. And what it means, or what I took it to mean, is that upward spiral. It's not a cycle as much as it's an upward spiral. And you keep thinking, here I am again. We're back here and it's worse. But what's happening is you are looking at it from a different perspective, from a higher perspective, as you make your way up the circular staircase, as it were. And so what's happening now isn't in spite of our awakening. This is because of it. This is what we are here to do. The system senses its time is up. And at the same time, our spell of powerlessness is broken. So those of you in my comments who are saying, I wish I could be witchy, girl, you are. That's what they've been trying to make you forget. They're desperate to make you forget that. I mean, even a year ago, I would have been like, I'm not witchy. I don't know. In spite of all the evidence to the contrary, I didn't think I belonged. I didn't think I dared imagine that I had these powers. But you know what? I do. And you do as well. So let that sit. Well, I give you a couple of things that you can do right now, because I know you're all thinking like, well, what do I do? We're not putting our power into any system. We are not putting our energy into those guys or these guys or the wrong side or the right side. There is no side, okay? There's just your power. So here are 3 things you can do. I'm going to give you 3. I don't want to overwhelm you, and I believe in the magic of 3. Okay, so the first one is this. Think of this as your witchy starter kit. First thing you can do is speak your intentions into your water before you drink it. Bonus points if you can put your water outside during a full moon and charge it. You can even write, and I did this on tape with a Sharpie, but you could write it right onto your glass. Why not, right? Write your intentions in your water glass. And then, bottoms up. If you're like me and you've been called to light a candle, if you love candles, you love light, guess what? That's witchy. So, light a candle, call in the light, and visualize protection around those who are in harm's way. Third one is earth anchoring. Stand barefoot and feel your rage flowing down into the earth as you imagine Mother Earth rising with you. I'm also going to tag a couple of my favorite witches here in the caption. In case you've been under a rock and you aren't following them yet, I want you to add your own here. But know this, we are remembering. Whether you call it a witch, you call it just knowing, you call it divine feminine, I don't care what you call it. Just be here with us. We're just getting started.